life's crazy. Just sitting in the van in the middle of a town.
Oh, Marley eats.
Marley's eating your food. How are these dogs not so? Bounce it. We're on like the bumpiest road ever. Trying to find a campsite out here.
There's like one more left.
One more side.
Oh gosh.
We were made for this!
Okay, careful.
You gotta show them the front. What these look like. Note that we have the standard tires that the Ford Transit comes with, not all-terrain tires. We're not lifted. We're just in an ordinary van.
Slow down, slow down. I see a bear out here.
That would be sick for the vlog. Bad for the life. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Really wants to get out the window.
No way we've gone this long without a sight.
Yeah, it looked like that on the maps.
It did?
Yeah.
And there's one more out here?
Somewhere. I think.
Oh, there's our navigator.
Really?
Master navigator.
All my mugs are broken. Oh. How is my phone still not broken?
I don't know. That mount is...
Everyone watching is going to get Carson. We were about to pull out of this campground, and we asked this couple who was like the last campground on the way out what time they had to get here to get a site, because it's first come first serve. And they were like, there's this tent next door that's been here for days and nobody's come, and it's just been there. And so they were like, if you just pull in by this tent, you're probably good, because you can't just leave a tent for multiple days in a spot. So now Isaiah's asking another lady right nearby what she thinks. But I really hope we can stay here, because it's already almost 7 and we've been traveling all day, and we might have just made some new friends. So that was so stressful on the roads. It was so bumpy. It's so chilly up here after being in the humidity for so many days. It feels so good. Isaiah just told the woman over there that we just started van life, and she literally jumped out of like happiness. That was so cute.
Okay, we just got to this campsite that
I already
Ella
explained
found.
the whole situation.
Oh, you explained it already? It was free, and there was like no spots, but we just talked to these people, and they basically said that this guy's campsite right here, this tent has been here for 4+ days, and nobody's here.
Which you're not allowed to do that. That is breaking the code of conduct.
Yeah.
In free land.
But Miss Janet, really nice lady, she's camped over there.
She lives in her car.
She kind of gave us the rundown, encouraged us a little bit. It was a great time.
So we're gonna try it out.
Yeah, but I mean, look at the view. There's some mountains over there.
And we might become friends with the people next door. They're our age.
Okay.
My mugs sounded like they broke. So now's the moment of truth. I'm actually gonna open this one first. Okay. It's all plastic. Okay. Oh, no. How did they survive that?
They're good?
How in the world? That is crazy. Yay! I'm so happy.
Climbing a mountain. This is crazy.
Look at all these flowers. Orange and white, purple. There's blue ones. Look at how pretty this one is.
Whoa.
That's so beautiful. Look at this. Unfreaking real.
So cool. No, I was raised in the Midwest. Ella was raised in New Jersey, so we're not used to this terrain. Walking up that.
I heard that there's bears in the area.
So when we met Miss Janet down there,
Miss Janet,
she's the one staying in that red car. You can see over there.
she just saw a moose the other day peeing right by her tent.
Yeah, we asked her if there were bears out here. She said there could be.
No, there were signs, weren't there?
Yeah, there were signs too, but we do not have bear spray.
I have a booger.
You should keep that in. Ella just straight up picked her booger in the middle of this video.
I don't have a tissue.
Come here, Marley. Setting up Starlink. Seems fairly easy.
I want to go to bed. I'm so tired. And we had an hour time change. And you want us to be up by 7?
So cute. There we go.
Do your Starlink dance. You went.
We just got Starlink. We just got Starlink. We're connected.
You got dirt all over it first.
So it said to clear any obstructions, and so I'm thinking, I'm like, these plants in the way, I figured they would obstruct it, so I rip one of them out, and dirt goes flying all over the Starlink, and Ella and I just start dying laughing.
It's really funny.
Okay. So I'm gonna ask you how was the first night of van life, okay?
Okay. The first night of van life? Oh, do you want to ask me?
Yeah. How was your first night?
The first night of van life was great. Slept really good. Isaiah tried to get me to wake up at 5:40 a.m. to see the sunrise, and that didn't go over well. But no one came to claim their tent, so that was good.
So getting here was very eventful. We almost thought we didn't have a camping spot, but luckily we asked around and found the random, we're calling him Bill, this tent that's in our site that apparently has been abandoned for 4 days. What was your favorite part of van life?
It was really fun seeing downtown Boulder because it's a really cool city, and we got to hear this guy play guitar, and he was really good, but as soon as we came up to him and we're gonna listen, he stopped. So that was funny.
Our spot is beautiful. As you saw, like that shot with the mountains, it's such a nice spot. But yeah, it was fun. I kept waking up because I felt like someone was gonna come to the van.
The Joyride peaches are really good.
Shout out. My favorite part of yesterday, Boulder is a great city, very beautiful.
You copy me.
Our dinner was really good. We had Mexican food. That was really good. And then I loved watching, we watched YouTube in bed before we went to sleep, and that was fun.
What was your favorite part of the first day? You need to take your boots off before you get on my brand new pretty carpet.
I'm sorry.
The amount of times I've already shaken this out on this one trip. You're still gonna have to take off your muddy boots. We're getting out of our campsite.
Everything is shaking viciously.
Yeah, it's a little crazy. Thank you to Miss Janet, who was gonna let us stay in her campsite if we couldn't find one. We love you. We're backing up from the campsite, and Marley was not listening. She kept jumping off the bed, and Isaiah accidentally backed our mirror on the driver's side into a tree.
I was so stressed.
He was so stressed.
Left side, because the tree, like bark. Luckily, it's fully functional. It still moves. It works. We're good. We're good.